Yes, yes, I like to switch. Thank you so much. I like to have something in my hand. Thank you so much. Okay, walk, walk. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk. Out, out, ball cross. Walk around with a sweep, weave and stop. Funky, groovy part with acceleration. 7, 8. Step, touch, side, weave. 3 and 4 and 5. 6 goes to 7 and 8 and. Let's try again from beginning. Walk, walk. 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Walk 5. Sweep, weave. 7 and 8. Groovy. And 2, 3 and 4 and 5. 6 goes to 7 and 8 and. Hip bump part, sailor quarter turn, cross samba. 7, 8, bump 1, 2, bump sailor quarter turn, 5, cross samba, 7 and 8, cross sweeps. Yes, for your last section. Let's try hip bump again, facing this wall. Hip bump left, hip bump right. 7, 8, bump 1 and 2, bump sailor quarter turn, 5, cross samba, 7 and 8, and sweep, sweep, weave, 3, and mambo, mambo, sweep, jazz box, and 8. Very good, yeah? Acceleration there. From beginning, 6, 7, 8, walk 1, 2, out, out, ball cross, walk 5, sweep, weave, 7 and 8, groovy, and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 goes to 7 and 8 and bump. 2, sailor quarter turn. 5, cross samba. 7 and sweeps and 1, weave. 3, mambo sweep. 5, jazz box. 7 and 8 and beautiful. Wall 2, wall 2, wall 2. 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, out, out. Walk around. 5, sweep, weave. 7 and 8. Step, touch and weave. 3 and 4 and 5, 6 goes to 7 and 8 and bump. 2, sailor quarter turn, cross samba, 7 and 8 and sweep, weave, 3 and mambo, 5 and jazz box, 7 and 8 and walk. 2, out, out, ball cross, walk around, sweep, weave and cross, groovy, and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. 6 goes to 7 and 8 and bump. 2 with a sailor quarter turn, cross samba, and 7 and 8 and sweep. Weave, 3 mambo sweep, 5 and jazz box, 7 and 8 and 1. Beautiful. DJ. 5, 6, 7, 8, up.
Come here, boy, boy, can you get it up? Come here, boy, boy, is you big enough? Take it, yeah, baby, yeah, take it,
Closer.
Come here, boy, boy, can you get it up?
Samba.
Come here, boy, boy, is you
Sweet.
big enough?
Weave.
Yeah, baby,
Mambo.
yeah, take it,
Jazz.
Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight
Weave.
I'ma let you do your thing.